This, and we are taking our time on the ride because we're checking out the RV and boat show here at the Expo Center, kicking off today. We're now with Jason with Hatfield Rv. We're checking out the RV and boat show here at the Expo Center, kicking off today. We're now with Jason with Hatfield Rv. Now, we have Champagne Riches and Caviar Dreams because what's this baby called?
This is a Cedar Creek Champagne Edition.
It's the Champagne. What makes it the Champagne, and why is this the biggest and best?
Mainly with the construction, this is a hung wall constructed unit. It's
Hung
done like
wall.
hung wall.
What does that mean?
90% of campers with a smooth side is going to be laminated, so the strength is in the bonding. A hung wall construction, the strength is in the framing. So yeah, it's more like a home construction. 16 on center.
Now the
gel coat
outside
exterior
has double awnings.
Yes.
You got the TV.
Yep.
But wait, you're gonna come with me right now until you see the inside. This is nuts, Jason.
Yes.
So first, when you walk in, I'm noticing how tall it is.
It is. This is a straight roofline camper. This is something you only see in higher and fifth wheels.
This is like a split level house.
It is.
A split level RV.
Yeah, this is a newer floor plan. It's got the upstairs kitchen. Typically, you only see an upstairs bedroom.
Yeah.
Recently, they came out with an upstairs living room. Now they've pushed the kitchen up there, and it's a really great layout.
Look at that. Even Edwin, as he's going up there, you
Yeah.
got the little bar table over here, and then you turn around and you have this huge, big screen TV. I'm getting
55-inch.
like Joanna Gaines vibes because it's an open floor plan.
It is a very open floor plan, yes.
Oh my God.
A lot of sleeping. It's meant for long term, so it's all residential furniture. It's Franklin furniture. It's meant to live in at 4 seasons. This is a truly 4-season coach.
Whoa.
Yeah.
And real quick, I do want to go to the back and show the master bedroom because this is the biggest one that I've seen.
Yes.
As far as like height goes and everything.
Yeah.
It's really tall.
It's got a king bed in it, very tall ceilings. You get a lot more cabinetry in it. It comes with an option for a stackable washer dryer. And this particular unit, you can get an optional generator. A lot of residential fifth wheels, you can only, they don't put generators in them. So this has the optional generator.
Okay.
You can control everything with an app. So all the slides, the generator, lighting can all be controlled with an app from your phone.
Nice. Real quick, Jason, price tag on this baby.
Show special, $75,000.
Oh, that's not bad at all, guys. We're under 6 figures.
Yes, absolutely.
Sean, Phil, I mean, what do you say? You want to join me here? Let's go on a road trip. Oh my gosh, let's do a show on the road in one of these.
No, not doing it.
We'll have to have a GoFundMe account. But you like that? Oh, they are so nice anymore. Okay.